Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo and my hair is on fleek. I still don't know how to lay all this, but so today guys, I will be reviewing the Zikel Cosmetics brand. It is a Nigerian brand. I have filmed this video before, but the quality was bad and I watched it and I was like, no, I'm not putting that out. I'm not. So Zikel was kind of sending me some things. I thought I was going to put that video out and I gave out the glitter palette, but I will give you the tea about the glitter palette at the end of this video. But what they sent me this powder palette. They sent me the Zikel Cosmetic 16 color blush blah 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 palette. That's this one. They sent me their Zikel eyeliner. Also, they sent me their Zikel Cosmetics Photo Fix Mattifying Primer, and lastly they sent me their foundations, which have 5 shades. So I'm going to swatch all the shades on my face, and yeah, that's all they sent to me. They have more things. They have a glitter palette and other things, but these are the things they sent to me, and these are the things I am going to be reviewing today. So I got sent 5 shades of foundations, and they came in packs, and I threw away the packs. Unfortunately, the names are on the pack and not on the actual bottle. I have checked because I want to make sure I'm not crazy, and they did not actually put the names on the bottles. So I'm like, the fuck. Anyway, this is their high definition foundation, and it has SPF 30, and it's supposed to be 24 hours, which you guys know nothing will last you for 24 hours except you put clear on your face. But anyway, it's supposed to be a 24-hour long wear foundation, and also this is a matte foundation. As you can see, they wrote Pro Matte up here. First off, before we even begin to apply this foundation, I'm going to swatch and test the shades because I threw away the pack. I cannot remember what shade I tested in my last video, and I want this video to be fresh. All right, so I'm just gonna test that out for you guys. This is the first shade. This is the second shade. First time I thought this was going to be my shade, and it ended up being too dark. So this is the third shade. This is the dark shade. So they have 2 dark shades. This is the darkest shade they have. So these are all 5 shades. I feel like I should mix these 2 shades together. So let me just blend the shades out. Yeah, this one looks like my exact shade. That is my exact shade of foundation. This is my skin. They put my skin in the bottle. But I'm gonna put in a bit of this because I just feel like I need my golden yellow richness. You see, I bought my shade. One just has a really pink undertone, and one is like, you see, just look at that. I'm going to mix 2 of them together. So I've decided that I'm going to be mixing these 2 on my face today. Now that we've picked up our foundation shade, they sent over their Stay Matte Zikel Cosmetics Photo Fix Mattifying Face Primer and Wrinkle Filler. So this primer is supposed to smooth and mattify because it is a smoothing and mattifying primer. So I'm just going to apply this primer all over my face. I'm going to just put a bit at the back of my hand. It is clear white. Oh, it's blurring. Oh yeah, it is actually blurring out my skin. Ooh. Okay, let's put some of that on my nose. Now I'm just going to go in my foundation and blend. Okay. I'm not seeing the mattifying effect yet. I thought by now it would be getting matte, but yeah, I'm not seeing the mattifying effect, so I can see myself glowing and being very dewy. So guys, I like looking bronzed, and this is what the foundation looks like. It's definitely not drying down matte. I can definitely see a bit of shine. I really like the way it looks on my skin, and I'm just going to move on. So I was going to use the lightest shade that they sent to me on my face, sorry, as concealer, but obviously that shade is literally my skin tone. So I have mixed my concoction, and my concoction works with any setting powder. So I would just put that directly under my eye Oh my god, gosh, it looks light today. So I first put it, you know, everywhere, take a snap. Then, and now I'll start working it into the eye. I'm still not matte. No, I'm not matte. Next up, I'm going to be using the powder palette. And then it's supposed to be a blush and powder palette and bronzer palette and everything. But it has all these shades in it. And it has the names at the back, as you can see. I'm just going to use this to set my face. Now, I'm going to take this translucent shade and set my eye because it's supposed to be a highlighter. Good. Just make sure everything sets. And I'm using the New Balm Beauty brush. It's a very, you can either use it for highlight or this purple. I have a lot of lines under my eye, so this thing needs to set it. I'm just pressing it in. It's supposed to be translucent. Why is it white? So next up, I am going to take Toffee and I'm going to use that to set my whole face. Yeah, which is okay. And also I'm going to use the powder and go over where I placed the really white highlight. Just gonna go over that a bit. Oh, that's more like it. So I wasn't sent any brow product, so I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. So guys, next up we're going to be using the Zikel Cosmetics Glamorous. It's a 16 color blush, bronzer and powder palette. So in this palette you have 8 blushes, 1 highlighter, 3 contour shades, 2 bronzers and 2 powders, guys. Also, the guys at Zikel told me I can use this as eyeshadow because I don't think they have any eyeshadow palette yet. So today I was thinking of going with a dark purple look. First off, I'm going to go in with this dark purple shade. My eye is primed already, by the way, so I'm going to just put this dark purple shade all over my lid. Oh yep, there's some pigment in there, girl. I'm just packing this all with my Echo toothbrush. Next up, I'm going to go in with this dark shade right here. So I'm just going to be packing this on the outer corner of my eye first. Just stamping it there. And then I'm going to start blending it into my crease after I stamp. Ooh. This is working really well as eyeshadow. There is little or no fallout yet. Alright, this is something I always like to do. I go in with a fluffy brush and I take like the lightest shade, just use it to blend the crease. Then I then use this to diffuse. So next, for the lower lash line, I'll be mixing both shades for the lower lash line. Oh, that mixture is so pretty. I think I am now done with my eyes. I'm not putting any liner or anything like that. Next, they sent me the Zikel 2-in-1 waterproof star eyeliner. So the eyeliner comes with a star stamp side. And then it also comes with the felt tip side. Like I said, I am going out, so I want to look, you know, so I'm not going to put stars on my eye. I'm actually going out to see people. So I'm just going to put a tight line, basically. Just go close to the... It is actually very black. I'm going as close to my lash line as possible. Next, I'm going to pop on some lashes from Allure by Chloe Lashes ABC. That's Allure by Chloe. Now we're heading back into this palette and I'm going to be taking these 2 shades to give myself a nice bronze and contoured look. Please don't be like Maud. Please don't be like Maud. They're very pigmented, so best be careful. That's all I can say. Next, my nose, I'm going to take the shade and contour my nose. For blush, I have purple on my eyes, but I don't want purple on my cheeks, okay? So I'm going to go in with what this red shade, this one, really lightly. Pa! One touch, just like that. And just flush that on my cheeks. Now we're going back. Oh, come off you. Now we're going back into this palette, and I'm going to be using Glow Getter because you know it's quite befitting. Why not? What does it just glow there? Oh, that's really okay. Okay, Glow Getter. Okay. Oh, well, okay, Glow Getter. Like I said, I like my highlight on my cheeks because when I'm just like, look, you smile like this, there's no effect. When you smile like this, there's effect. Like people would just love your smile. Yeah, it's really golden. It's gold in color. It's yellow gold. So you have to be careful as well. So how do you think we're looking? On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give everything I used from Zikel today a 7. And maybe even a 6.5. And the reason is my face is not as flawless. It might look really flawless, but trust me, I've had it more flawless than this. Maybe if I had used a better setting powder, because my under eyeliner are like, if you want to trek, they are open wide. Now let's bisect. This one, do you need in your life? Probably yes, if you're a makeup artist, because you need all these powders to set. People of different skin tones and different colors, so I think this would be good for a makeup artist. I like the powder, just not for setting my under eye. Now if you have this one, you do not need this one. This comes in handy if you're not a makeup artist. How? You have the highlight shade, you have your some little powder shades which you can use for contour and your under eye as well. You have blushes, and you also have blushes that can serve as eyeshadow. So this is something you can just pick up and go. I did not try the highlights. The highlighters do not really come on. You can also use this ones as shimmer eyeshadow on your eye. So this is a good palette. My eyeshadow is popping. Next thing I can talk about is the Zikel Cosmetics and 2-in-1 waterproof star eyeliner. If you want to get creative, I really like the star part they put, but apart from that, it's very nice. It's dark enough. I like that it's dark enough. I will put down below how long this primer worked, and yes, it blurred, but it didn't fill up my lines because my smile lines are still here. But yeah, it blurred, but we'll know how far it primes when I go out, and I'll put that down below. What's the last thing, because I'm tired of talking? As for the foundations, 5 shades is not good enough. Obviously, at the point where I'm now getting tired of talking about it. If you can't find your shade in this brand, move on to the next brand. Somebody will have your shade. Somebody will have at least a mixture for your shades. But this one is ridiculous because the lighter shade is my shade, which does not even make sense. Because if someone walks into my studio and they are too light, I cannot even put them in my chair over there and say, oh, sit down, let me do your makeup. No, I can't. With Zikel, if I had just Zikel. They gave me glitter palettes, but that was a no-go area for me. That glitter palette was all over the place. I have given it out. I cannot use it. In my last video, I was so frustrated. I was like, this glitter palette is driving me crazy. It's like I went to play with my cousin's makeup and what she uses to paint, and I said, oh, and I sprinkled glitter on my face. That's literally how I felt, because that thing was all over the place, and I cannot deal. I can't. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. It's right here. Oh no, it's here. Oh, it's here. I got, I just clocked you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and that is right here. Please subscribe to my channel and get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying so much to be consistent on my channel now, and as you can see, my video quality is better. Oh yes, you know it's better. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Mwah.